Hey, fashion lovers! Welcome to Modern Girls, where we bring you the best fashion tips to help you look stunning every day. Today we're talking about something super important, dressing according to your body shape. Do you ever struggle to find the perfect outfit that suits you best? Well, worry no more. In this video, I'll break down different body types and recommend the best outfits that will make you look fabulous. Let's get started. There are 5 main body types. 1. Apple shape, broader upper body, slimmer lower body. 2. Pear shape, slimmer upper body, wider hips. 3. Hourglass shape, well-balanced bust and hips with a defined waist. 4. Rectangle shape, similar proportions throughout the body, less defined waist. 5. Inverted triangle, broad shoulders, narrow hips. Now let's dive into the best outfit ideas. For an apple-shaped body, go for V-neck tops, empire waist dresses, and A-line skirts to balance your silhouette. Avoid tight tops and bulky jackets. A pear-shaped body looks great in off-shoulder tops, flared skirts, and bootcut jeans. Stay away from skinny jeans that overly emphasize the hips. An hourglass shape shines in wrap dresses, fitted tops, and high-waist jeans. Avoid oversized clothing that hides your curves. For a rectangle shape, ruffle tops, layered outfits, and peplum dresses add curves. Skip straight-cut dresses with no waist definition. If you have an inverted triangle shape, opt for flowy skirts, wide leg pants, and V-neck tops to balance your upper body. Avoid shoulder pads and heavy embellishments. Bonus styling tips. Wear monochrome outfits for a sleek, tall appearance. Accessories matter. Use belts to define your waist. Confidence is key. Rock whatever makes you feel beautiful. That's it for today, fashionistas. Now that you know how to dress for your body type, go rock your best look with confidence. Comment below which body shape you relate to the most and what your favorite outfit is. See you in the next video.